Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your GK class. So, today we are going to start Unit 6, in which, in first exercise, we have unforgettable music maestros. So, there are 6 pictures of great personalities who have devoted their lives in the field of music. So, in first picture, you all can see Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson, his full name is Michael Joseph Jackson, and he born on 29th of August 1958 and died on 25 June 2009 in United States. He was a great singer, great songwriter, and a dancer, and he is known as the king of pops. The whole world known him as the king of pops. So in pop music, he did very great, and the world known him for his contribution in the field of pop music. Okay, so in next picture we have Louis Armstrong. So Louis Armstrong, his nickname was Pops and Satch and Satchmo. These all were his nicknames. He was born on 4th August 1901 and died on 6th of July 1971. He was a great personality. He was an American trumpeter, and he also was a composer, vocalist, and an actor too. And he was among the most influenced figure in the field of jazz music. So, in next picture we have Begum Akhtar. So, her name was Akhtari Bai Faizabadi. She was an actor too. She was an Indian singer and actress, and her name was Akhtari Bai Faizabadi, and she is known as Begum Akhtar. Okay, so she is regarded as one of the greatest ghazal singers. Except ghazal, she has also contributed in Dadras and Thumri. She born on 7th October 1914 and died on October 1974. In next picture we have Muhammad Rafi. Muhammad Rafi, he was an Indian film playback singer, and he was born on 24th of December 1924 and died on 31st of July 1980. So he is considered as one of the greatest and most influential singer of Indian subcontinent. He has given many great songs in Indian cinema. Okay, in next picture we have Tansen. He is the legend. Still he is the legend because people died not their fame. So Tansen, he is also referred as he was born in Hindu family, and his name was Ram Setu Pandey, and he was born in Gwalior and died on 26th of April 1589 in Agra, and he was a prominent figure of Hindustani classical music. So we all knows about him very well. Okay, the last we have the picture of Bessie Smith. Bessie Smith, she was an American blues singer, and she renowned during the jazz age. So when the jazz music was on its peak, so she is also considered as the queen of jazz and the empress of blues, and she was most popular in the decade of 1920s and 1930s. She born on 15th April 1894 and died on 26th of September 1937. Okay, so we have discussed about the lives of all these great personalities of music. Okay, now I hope you all can easily match them with the correct music field. Okay, now let's look at this second exercise, page number 46 and exercise 34. Here we have anagrams and quotes. So first you need to understand what is the meaning of anagrams. Anagram is a word or phrase that is made by arranging the letters of another word or phrase in a different order. So here what you have to do, as you all can see, make an anagram from the red word to make sense of the sentence. So you have to rearrange the letters given in red. Okay, like the sun is nearest to the earth. So what anagram you can make using these words ARTS, arts? You can make arts is given, so using these letters, by rearranging these letters or by changing the order, the right answer is star. Okay, in a same manner, the second one, smartphones are small enough to be kept on one's lamp. Lamp is given. You have to rearrange these letters to make a correct answer of this hint. So what you can make? We can make palm, because palm top is the smallest. Smartphones are small like our palms. So this is done. Third, fourth and fifth you all can guess very easily, so do it yourself. Now let's come to the second part of the exercise, in which some quotes are given. You have, and at the last hints are given, so you have to identify that who has given this quote. Okay, so the first is, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Who said that? So John F. Kennedy, he says that ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. So Mr. John F. Kennedy, he gave this quote. And second is, if you can dream it, you can do it. Who said that? If you can dream it, you can do it. Mr. Walt Disney. These are the words of Mr. Walt Disney. Okay. Third one is, to climb steep hills requires slow pace at first. These are the lines of very, very famous writer. I hope you all knows about it. Okay, if yes, then okay, and if no, then okay. Try to guess who said that. Mahatma Gandhi, Galileo Galilei, John F. Kennedy is done, and Walt Disney is done. William Shakespeare. So among all these, who is the great writer? William Shakespeare. Okay, so these are the lines of William Shakespeare, that to climb steep hills requires slow pace at first. Fourth is, I never have seen a man too ignorant that I couldn't learn something from him. These are the words of Galileo Galilei. Okay. Last is, hate the sin and love the sinner. Yes, so I hope you all can guess it, or we all knows that these are the word of the Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi ji. So I explained you about all the quotes. So now you all can complete this exercise and remaining parts of this anagram portion. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next class. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.